My name is Miss Jessica, and I'm the Art Enrichment Coordinator at the Discovery Center of the Southern Tier. I have two friends here from our school program, Kids Club. Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
Noah.
This is Noah, and this is
Sophia.
Sophia, and we're going to be making a turkey for Thanksgiving. This is more of an open-ended craft. It's just made out of cardboard, and we're using all different kinds of materials. We have paint sticks, Crayola markers, and some pastels. So I'm gonna let my friends take it away. You guys can color. We just cut out kind of like a little beak shape and a half circle, and they're just gonna go to town and color. So you guys can fill it up however you want, any kind of patterns. This is how I did it, but you can do it however you want.
Color blue.
You love blue? Perfect.
Do I have to make a blue?
You can make whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a turkey color. It could be a turkey from your imagination.
We can alligator turkey.
Alligator turkey, whoa. And I do have stuff I can glue on for you too, like eyes. But those will do with hot glue later.
Jewelry.
Blue jewelry on your turkey? What's your guys' favorite thing to eat at Thanksgiving?
Cranberries.
Cranberry sauce? That's pretty good.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake?
Do you have carrot cake on Thanksgiving? Yes.
That's
Or
pretty
is it
cool.
pumpkin pie? Turkey.
Interesting.
And pumpkin pie.
I like green bean casserole. That's my
Oh,
favorite.
that's yummy. My
So
grandma
good.
makes that.
It's the best.
I'm just thinking.
Yeah, try it. Try out the paint sticks. They're really fun to use.
I'm gonna do this now. Ew.
The body. Yep.
Yeah. Are you gonna paint his nose?
Yeah, those are cool. They're like using a paintbrush, but it's more like a glue stick.
It's like a crayon.
Yeah.
It's smooth. Paint crayon.
Cool. You made a wing.
No.
Or what are you doing? A beak? Sophia's doing a wing.
A blue wing.
Sophia, maybe you could hold up your the head for people to see on Facebook. Cool patterns. I love it.
And I'm gonna do red. Red feathers.
Red feathers.
Yeah. And more orange. I don't think I can do it.
I think you can do it.
Always
You can do it on
believe in
both sides,
yourself,
too.
girl. That's what I'm doing. I just don't want it to get
Oh yeah, it takes a minute to dry, but it's okay.
And then I'm gonna draw a little bow.
A bow. We made these in pre-K and all the kids were naming theirs.
Can I use a field marker? Yeah, I'm gonna name him Jack.
Jeff? All the kids in preschool were naming them their names. I was like, that's
Okay,
not
I'm
very
gonna
creative.
Noah James Williams. I'm gonna give it a name tag. Oh no, I'm gonna make him there. He has a name
Perfect.
tag.
Let me know when you're finished.
Okay. What color is it? It's a name tag.
It's just part of the cardboard.
Okay.
That's very cool.
I'm gonna use
Did you guys use any of these yet?
and it has freckles.
Freckles? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use
Finished? Okay.
Can I use the purple?
Absolutely. You take your time. I'm gonna, what we're gonna do next is glue right here. You could use stick glue, but we've been using hot glue. Use a parent or a teacher and we'll help you with that. And stick it right there. We'll have 2 popsicle sticks for legs right here. And then we'll do feathers.
I'm doing
So-
yellow.
Oh, you're doing more? Okay. So right here, we're picking out, I did 4 feathers. You could do as many feathers as you want.
I did not even notice it was
But I'm just gonna
and
do
I
some
put
right
my
along
fingers
the
on it.
edge.
I'm done.
And this can be done with Elmer's glue. We're just making sure it's really secure with hot glue.
Yeah. Hey. Ooh, that's hot.
It's very hot. That's why it's important to have a grown-up
I'm probably
help
gonna
you.
touch it.
No, it'd burn you.
I put it like 1, 2, okay?
I'll do 5.
Here. That's a little
Then we'll let this dry for a minute.
Clary bear. Oh, I can measure him.
And that's the finished product.
I want to measure him. Where's the longest one? This one. They're the same. Oh. And I'm going to draw a hand.
But don't touch the glue because it's really hot, okay?
You can measure. I'm going to do a hand. How much inches? Are these inches? How much inches? I want to do a hand or something.
I'll get more cardboard for you after we're done with this. And then we'll glue it on. That's cool. I'm glad that you're thinking outside of the box.
Thank you. I want to do it.